You know, doctors say that sitting for extended periods of time can have the same physiological effects as smoking. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. I'm going to show you step by step how we assembled this beautiful stand-up desk. Step 1, gather all your pieces parts. Next step is we extend the stretcher. The stretcher goes from one leg to the other leg underneath the desktop. Then we attach the legs to the stretcher. Be sure to keep all 4 bolts on each leg loose until you get them all started. Otherwise, you'll have trouble lining them up to get the others started. Once the legs are attached, it's time to attach the feet. Again, get them all started before you tighten them down. Next, we measure out the placement of the base on the desktop, making sure it's even from all sides. Then we attach it to the desktop. Depending on your desktop, you may want to do what we did here and drill pilot holes, because this oak is a hardwood and we don't want to split it. Here's a helpful bonus tip. We attached a flag to make sure we weren't going through the top. Then you attach the base to the top. Make sure your screws are not too long. And finally, with your base attached to your desktop, it's now time to tighten down the bolts on the stretchers. Get a friend to help you flip the desk over. Put it in position and plug it in. Now it's time to store your presets. Press the up or down arrows to the position that you'd like. Hold in the number till the display starts flashing. Once it starts flashing, press the M until it stops flashing and go press that number again. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Thanks for watching. For more tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.